top 100 QS world ranked universities without application fees. Is it true or a scam? So we had one of our students who was having a dream of studying in Ireland. उनके पास सब कुछ ready था. She was having a very good profile also, and she also have some of the offers from different other universities. But उनका जो मेन गोल था that was to target a QS world ranked university. She wanted admission in QS top 100 ranked universities, and for Ireland she was targeting University College Dublin as her goal and as her main dream university. So you might be thinking कि जब profile sorted थी, so what is the issue? She could have applied है ना University College Dublin. The scene is the college is ranked between 150 of the world ranking, which means there are a lot of applications which are lined up, and because limited time and she was not sure that she might get the offer letter or she might not, whereas the university was also having application fees. Yes, you heard it right. एक कोर्स अप्लाई करने के लिए यूनिवर्सिटी की एप्लीकेशन फीस 50 euros है. And if I calculate it in INR, it approximately goes around 5300 INR, or you can say 5500 INR approx for per application. And that too, this application fees is non-refundable from the university. अगर आपका rejection आता है तो ये amount refund भी नहीं होता है university की तरफ से. So basically she was skeptical कि मेरा offer आएगा या नहीं आएगा. Even if I invest this application fees and offer नहीं आया, so I'll be wasting out on my money, which is a very genuine question, and हम सब भी ये सोचते हैं, right? So what? Dream over? Not that early. So at the point she came to us and उन्होंने अपना profile हमसे discuss किया. She has clarified her problems with us, and we got to understand कि हाँ उनकी profile में potential है and she can get the offer letter. So we as a prime agents of a lot of university, including University College Dublin, we have some of the waivers for some of our students for the application fees. And guess what? With her profile, we got an application fees waiver in which we have not only applied for one course but also two courses for her at a single time in University College Dublin. And wait, she also got the offer letter within 2 weeks from a very competitive course of University College Dublin. Imagine how happy she is right now. So she's all sorted, she's planning out for her further steps and moving ahead. So आपका क्या plan है? If you want any help in regards with application fees waivers or want to check any university you want to apply could have an application fees waiver, just comment application fees and we will be there in your DM sections helping you out.